Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to study symptom of AIDS. First of all, what is HIV? HIV is the virus. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, is the virus that causes AIDS, जो AIDS करता है. And HIV is spread during sex. HIV is an infection that can lead to AIDS. AIDS stands for acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, which means immune system has been made less effective by HIV. When this happens, a person is considered to have an acquired immune deficiency, or we can say that it is a AIDS. Once you have HIV, the virus stays in your body for life. There is no cure for HIV, but medicines can help you to stay healthy. HIV medicine lower or even stops your chances of spreading the virus to other people. When your viral load is undetectable, or you can no longer detect the virus in your body, you cannot pass HIV to partners. That's why treatment is so necessary with the proper care and medication. Now question arises in our mind that how does HIV spread? HIV spread having vaginal or anal sex, sharing needles or syringes for shooting drugs, tattoos, etc., getting stuck with a needle that have HIV infected blood on it, getting HIV infected blood, semen, or vaginal fluids into open cuts body. Let's study what are the symptoms of AIDS. Symptoms of AIDS divided into three stages. Number first, asymptomatic carrier. Second, AIDS related complex, जैसे हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म में कहते हैं ARC. Third, full blown AIDS. Asymptomatic carrier symptoms include fever, chills, continued pain, swollen lymph gland, and itchy rash. AIDS related complex ARC, swollen lymph glands in the neck, armpit, or groin that persist for months, night sweats, persistent cough, flu and persistent diarrhea, loss of memory, and depression. Full blown AIDS, it is a final stage. In this final stage, weight loss, weakness due to persistent diarrhea. Let's study opportunistic diseases. Due to weak defense system means immune system of a person suffering from AIDS is attacked by diseases like skin cancer, fungal infections, viral infections, gastrointestinal diseases, respiratory diseases, nervous system diseases, and last one is eye diseases. Treatment of AIDS, HIV is treated using a combination of fight of HIV infection. This is called antiretroviral therapy, जिसे हम short form कहते हैं ART. ART is not a cure, but it can control the virus so that HIV positive person can live a longer, healthier life and reduce the risk of transmitting HIV to other people or other persons.